Happy Veganuary, day 6. It's freezing outside. Recess was so cold today. Our odd bunch order came today too. It's $30 for a medium box with all these fruit and veggies that are oddly shaped or not needed by the food producers. So you're saving them from going into landfills. So I thought I'd have a bit of summer in winter. I actually love salad in my lunch at school. So all of this is 30 bucks. It's super easy. Just combine a box of strawberries, a bag of baby spinach, half a red onion, and a cucumber with whatever fruit you have on hand. I have a tin of peaches and pineapple. I also splurged on 2 kiwis. Combine 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons each of white wine vinegar and olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and season with a pinch of salt and a couple grinds of pepper. Now stir it and pour it onto the salad. Here we go. Oh, and don't forget an avocado. Let's try it. So good. That dressing is amazing. So many flavors. We'll see if there's any left for lunch tomorrow. Sometimes people think you need a whole bunch of expensive food substitutions. But really, sometimes just real fruits and veggies taste best. And remember, together kids can save the world. Thank you. Bye.